Hey guys, welcome back to IluMind. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of blockchain technology. It's a topic that's been making waves across various industries. You might be thinking, blockchain sounds complicated, and you're not alone. Many people feel the same way at first. But trust me, it's not as scary as it sounds. Once you get the hang of it, you'll see how revolutionary it can be. In fact, it's pretty darn cool. Imagine a world where transactions are secure, transparent, and efficient. Blockchain is a big deal because it's changing how we do things online. From financial services to supply chains, its impact is far-reaching. Think about it. Right now, we rely on banks, governments, and big companies to handle our money and data. They act as intermediaries, but they also introduce inefficiencies and risks. But what if we could do it ourselves, securely and transparently? Blockchain technology allows for peer-to-peer transactions without the need for a middleman. That's where blockchain comes in. It creates a decentralized network where data is stored across multiple nodes, making it tamper-proof and highly secure. It's like a digital revolution, and we're just at the beginning. The potential applications are endless, from voting systems to healthcare records. So buckle up and let's explore the basics of blockchain together. We'll break it down step by step, so you can understand how it works and why it's so important. Think digital ledger. Imagine a system where every transaction is recorded in a digital format, much like an entry in a traditional ledger, but far more advanced and secure. Imagine a giant digital notebook. This notebook isn't just any ordinary notebook. It's a sophisticated, encrypted, and decentralized record-keeping system. This notebook records every transaction, every piece of information in a secure and transparent way. Each entry is time-stamped and linked to the previous one, forming a chain of data blocks. That's blockchain in a nutshell. It's a revolutionary technology that ensures data integrity and security. It's like a shared database, but instead of being stored in one place, it's copied across a network of computers. This distributed nature makes it incredibly resilient to tampering. This means no single entity controls the information. Pretty cool, right? Everyone in the network has access to the same data, ensuring transparency and trust. Think of it like a Google Doc that everyone can see and verify, but no one can edit or delete past entries. This immutability is what makes blockchain so powerful. That's the beauty of blockchain. It combines transparency, security, and decentralization in a way that was never possible before. Now let's see how this digital ledger actually works. We'll dive into the mechanics of how transactions are verified and added to the blockchain. Like a digital chain. Imagine each transaction as a block of information. These blocks are linked together in a chronological order, forming a chain. Hence the name blockchain. Each block gets added to the chain after it's verified by multiple computers on the network. This verification process makes blockchain super secure. Think of it like a puzzle. Each block needs to fit perfectly with the previous one, making it almost impossible to tamper with. This unique structure is what makes blockchain so revolutionary. One of the coolest things about blockchain is that it's decentralized. This means no single person or organization controls it. It's like the internet of money and information. Instead of relying on intermediaries like banks, we can transact directly with each other. This cuts out the middleman, making transactions faster and cheaper. Imagine a world where you don't need permission to send money or share data. That's the power of decentralization. But wait, there's more. Remember those blocks linked together in a chain? Well, once a block is added to the chain, it cannot be altered or deleted. This is what we call immutability. Think of it like carving something in stone. Once it's there to stay. This makes blockchain incredibly secure and transparent. Every transaction is recorded and verifiable, making it difficult for fraud or corruption to occur. It's like having a permanent tamper-proof record of everything. Pretty impressive, right? But blockchain is more than just a cool technology. You've probably heard of Bitcoin, the most famous application of blockchain. But did you know that blockchain can be used for so much more? From supply chain management to voting systems, blockchain has the potential to revolutionize countless industries. Imagine tracking your food from farm to table, knowing exactly where it came from and how it was handled, or casting your vote electronically with complete transparency and security. The possibilities are truly endless. We're witnessing a paradigm shift, a fundamental change in how we interact and transact online. Blockchain is paving the way for a more secure, transparent, and equitable future. It's empowering individuals, fostering innovation, and creating new opportunities. Just like the internet revolutionized communication, blockchain is set to revolutionize everything. It's a future where trust is built into the system, where data is secure, and where power is distributed. The future is here, and it's built on blockchain. The future is unstoppable. As we stand on the brink of a new era, it's clear that technology is evolving at an unprecedented pace. The innovations we see today are just the beginning of a transformative journey that will redefine our world in ways we can only imagine. The blockchain is an incorruptible digital ledger of economic transactions that can be programmed to record not just financial transactions, but virtually everything of value. This revolutionary technology promises to bring about a new level of transparency and security in various sectors, from finance to healthcare. It's not just about money, it's about creating a more trustworthy and transparent world. Imagine a world where every transaction is secure, every agreement is transparent, and every interaction is trustworthy. So, there you have it, folks. The blockchain is more than just a buzzword. It's a groundbreaking technology that has the potential to reshape our future. The future is bright, and it's decentralized. As we move forward, let's embrace these innovations and work together to build a better, more connected world. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. This quote encapsulates the essence of blockchain technology, which empowers individuals to dream big and create a decentralized future. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, do me a favor and let me know in the comments. You can also let me know which book summary you'd like to see next. See you next time.